Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Impact.com affiliate platform, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Impact.com, first, navigate to the official website. On the homepage, look for the sign up or join button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a sign up form where you need to provide your email address. Ensure the email address you enter is valid and accessible. Next, create a strong password that meets the platform's requirements. After filling in your email and password, click the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Impact.com. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Impact.com website to log in. Enter the email address and password you just created, then click Login. After logging in, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in all the required fields, including your name and company information. Provide details about how you plan to promote products or services through the platform. Select your preferred payment method for receiving commissions. Make sure to review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you've completed the profile, submit it for review. The Impact.com team will review your application for approval. You will receive a notification via email once your account is approved. Once approved, log back in to access the affiliate dashboard. Explore available programs and choose the ones that align with your niche. Apply to join these programs to start partnering with brands. Once accepted, you can start promoting their products and earning commissions. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track your success. Remember to keep your profile updated as needed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning through the Impact.com affiliate platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.